Imagine yourself walking through a vast English garden. Each beautiful flower you encounter is a new English word. But how do you keep all these vibrant blooms from fading from your memory? Don't worry. There are ways to cultivate a flourishing vocabulary and speak English with confidence. Firstly, embrace the power of context. When you encounter an unfamiliar word in a book, don't just skip over it. Pause and use the surrounding sentences to guess its meaning. This detective work strengthens your understanding. For instance, if you read, "The guest devoured the delectable dessert," you can likely guess devoured means to eat something quickly and with enjoyment, based on the positive word delectable, delicious. Next, transform yourself into a word artist. Write down new words in a notebook, but don't stop there. Create a little masterpiece around them. Draw a silly picture to represent the word, or write a funny sentence using it. Let's say you learn tremendous, meaning very big. Sketch a giant watering pot showering a tiny flower with the label tremendous to jog your memory later. Flashcards are another weapon in your vocabulary arsenal. But instead of just writing the word and definition, create a two-sided masterpiece. On one side, write the word. On the other, write a sentence using it in a way that resonates with you. Maybe you love soccer, so for the word triumph, win, you could write, "My team triumphed over our rivals." Personalizing flashcards makes memorization more meaningful. Now, let's get interactive. There's a whole world of digital tools at your disposal. Find vocabulary learning apps that turn memorization into a game. Match words to pictures, play quizzes, or challenge yourself to complete daily goals. These apps make learning engaging and keep you coming back for more. Remember, the key to spoken fluency is using your new vocabulary. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Find a friend to practice with or talk to yourself in English. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become. You can even label objects in your house with their English names to create a mini English immersion zone. Finally, embrace the magic of reading and listening to stories on this YouTube channel. Reading and listening to stories exposes you to a vast array of words in natural contexts. Don't be discouraged by unfamiliar words. Use them as springboards to discover new additions to your vocabulary garden. By using these strategies, you'll transform yourself from a passive observer in the English garden into an active cultivator. With dedication and a dash of creativity, you'll blossom into a confident and eloquent English speaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice lessons.